have asked myself, why can't this edible ingredient... Hello, this is Sheetal and today's home remedy is wonderful if you have acne prone skin, if you have blackhead prone skin, if your skin tends to be oily or combination. So that covers a lot of us. So in other words, this remedy is wonderful and you must use it right away. In addition to being wonderful and totally natural, it also is very unusual, and that is because it uses tamarind as one of its ingredients. Now, I have been thinking about tamarind for a while and I have asked myself a question, why can't it be used on our skin? And so I started digging up information. I had this intuitive gut feeling that tamarind can actually be very good for the skin. And yes, there is a lot of science behind tamarind, and as we go along, I'm going to tell you exactly what that science is, since information is power. So without further ado, we shall get started. But before we do, if you are watching this on YouTube, please do take a moment and subscribe to my channel. And if you're watching this on Facebook, then like, share and comment. And if you do use this face mask, take a quick picture and share that picture with us in comments below. We're all going to enjoy seeing that picture. The first ingredient you need is 1 tablespoonful of gram flour, which in Hindi is called besan. It's also called chick flour. It's very easily available. The second ingredient is 1/4 teaspoonful of nutmeg powder, 1/4 teaspoonful of tamarind paste. Ingredient number next, just enough lukewarm water to create a thick paste, 6 to 8 drops of extra virgin olive oil, and this paste should be the consistency of ketchup, a little bit thicker than that, and you have yourself a face mask that is ready to go on your skin. Okay, now let me tell you what these ingredients do. Ingredient number 1 is tamarind, and tamarind is a very good source of vitamins A and C, which have beauty enhancing properties. It is also a very good source of tartaric acid, which is an alpha hydroxy acid, which leaves your skin clean and bright and deep cleans your pores. The next ingredient is nutmeg, which has been celebrated in Ayurveda for its anti-acne properties because it is known for its anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties. The next ingredient is gram flour, also an Ayurvedic ingredient, and it is known to sop up excess oil. So if you have an oily T-zone, or if your skin in general tends to be oily, then gram flour is a very good ingredient to use. Just don't use it too often though. Once a week is quite plenty. And olive oil in this remedy is going to nourish your skin and balance this entire remedy out so that we don't chance any dryness to the skin. So next thing, I'm going to apply this on my skin, and you can do exactly the same. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to clean my skin with a wet paper towel like this. Alright, so here's the mask. It's very ready. It's chocolatey in color. And I feel like I'm going to use my face mask brush to apply it all over my skin. A thin layer. It doesn't have to be too thick. So I'm going to apply it like so. And it feels a little sticky and it does feel cool. It has a really nice feel to it. Feels like it's going to raise the hydration levels to my skin also. So I would say apply it everywhere. Don't go too close to the eye area. This area beyond this point tends to be so sensitive, so you really don't want to use any face mask on that area. And you're going to leave it on for about, I would say 10 to 12 minutes, no more than that. Whatever it has to do, it will do in that 10 to 12 minute period. Then you are going to wash your skin with lukewarm water. And you are going to use your toner, your serum and your lotion right after. So let me know what your thoughts are. Use the comments field below to talk to me. Up until the next time, take care.